Once long ago, in an episode that has already aired.
We're going to take this compressor off and start moving the air conditioning components. We know that we are not in need of those. Taking off this, and then here's this. But for now, we're just taking off more accessories. AC compressor and air conditioning components are going to go. The belt and the fan is all going to go.
But some of that didn't happen. So this time...
Alrighty, I've already gone and figured it out. We've got these things kind of cleaned off a little bit to an extent. So let me go ahead and adjust that real quick. That's a little bit too much, I think. Here we are. We're going to go ahead and put some juice on these so that way we can get them out. Here we go. First things first. All of these are all three the exact same size, and that is going to be 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter if you like to use communist measurements. Got to go in the right direction. Ooh. Today I do not have a pipe wrench. Let me go grab a 13 millimeter. That might make life a little bit easier. There is a very slight difference. I do not have any 13 millimeter wrenches handy. So you're going to have to just do this the hard way. Alrighty. Give her a good little bit of a irk here. Oh man, there we go. That was an adventure right there, all on its own. Hope the bottom three aren't anywhere near that hard. There we go. Right job for the right tool. Or something like that. What are you doing there, Smitty? Look at this poor dog. What are you looking all pathetic for, huh? What's the matter over there, tiny dog? What's the problem? Back to work. Just like it was meant to be. Okie dokie. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's see how this particular tailgate likes to come apart. It's unbolted. Fun. Alrighty. Okay, one of the more major pain in the butts. I may actually have this backwards. I may have to have you up here. There we are. And then over here. Alright, to get this unplugged, because there's lots of electronics inside the Bronco tailgate. If I remember correctly, I have to pull out this. There we are. This is just a dust seal. It doesn't do great, as you can tell. There should be a plug, if I'm not mistaken, in here.
I was mistaken.
Much better. Okay. Alright, come with me. Come on down. Alrighty. Underneath you here. Ooh, my shoulder does not like that. Hoop. Okay, so this wire right here, that's what goes up there. This is going to be taillights. This one here goes to your tailgate. I'm going to follow that over here. You can see it shaking over here. It goes right into that plug right there. That is your tailgate plug. If you're going to do this on your own Bronco, again, outward clench plugs. I hate these things so much. I honestly just break them at the end of the day. Oh boy, let's see. Can I prop you anywhere? I gotta do it one-handed, don't I? Son of a gun. That makes them just that much worse. Didn't the people in the 90s know that people would be recording while doing this? There we go. There's one. These things here are just the bane of my existence. Alright. Open. Whew! Alright, there's your plug. Cool. Now I'm just gonna fish it on up through there. Let's see here. There you go. Well, you see, now that just wasn't so hard to do. Was it? Comes out just like that. Now I'm gonna undo these. And how's that come undone? Oh, what a pain. This bracket here has got to be undone to get that out. What a pain. How about over here? Oh, same thing. Yep, Okay, well, ain't nothing to it but to do it. All right, give this a try. 9/16. Woo-wee, that came back with a vengeance, didn't it? Yeah, stay out of the way of that. Wow-wee. Star drives. Woo. I think those got to come out too. So let's go ahead and get those out.
An embarrassing amount of time later.
Oh, this is going to be a heavy one. Oh, wow. Woohoo, almost got me. Oh, got it. Yo. Ta-da! Whew, that was difficult. That was not easy. It was pretty tough. I might keep these. What are these? Those are gaskets? Oh, they're just there. Okay. Good enough. Okay. Perfect. Whew. Gah. Now, I think I'm gonna lift this thing up and put it on some jack stands. I'll wait till another time. Never mind.